One of the important principles of making sausage is that your meat is of great quality, and the entire process there's cold along the way. Okay, so this is a buffalo chopper. It's about $7,000, and it doesn't chop buffaloes. It's just from Buffalo, New York. And in here, I'll show you how this works while she's doing that. There is two very sharp blades that spin like this at really high speed. And you put stuff in here, the bowl rotates, and it will basically puree anything you put in there. So when it doesn't sound ominous, but those blades are spinning like, I don't know, 1,000 RPM right now. So you put something in here, it's like, so it just cuts it up really, really fine. We're going to use the motor from this, to drive this shaft that's going to be our grinder. This is the main housing unit. Lock it in. Auger or worm. This connects to the drive shaft back here. It turns it, and the turning, the worm actually pulls all the meat forward to the front of the unit. And then you have a die and a blade. Okay. The blade fits in like this, sitting right on there. The shaft drives the blade cuts, the die stays still, and this is how it works. Okay? So the meat is getting pushed forward by the worm up against here. The blade is cutting it off as it goes. So the blade is next, and then the die, and then the locking ring. You're pretty much set up to go. You do want to pulse this once and set it. You don't want to run this without anything in there because it creates friction heat, which is anti what we're talking about with keeping the meat cold. There's our prep tray and our green sausage stuffer. This is like, I think this used to belong to the Hulk or something. I don't know why it's green. That goes in there. And then garlic, sort of. Okay, that in there. Toss it up. Just like in here. Then we put all the meat up here, everything up top. Sits in here. And any leftover spices that we let a little bit of meat fall down in there. And what's happening now is it's going to get pushed forward. What we don't want to have happen is that the meat gets stuck in between the blade or the die and create this, it's called creaming is the effect, but it basically makes the meat shoot out of the sides and it kind of looks like mayonnaise. It's not what you're looking for. You want it to look like emulsified meat, meat fat, meat fat, meat fat, these layers of products. So here's what it should look like. There it is. Meat fat, meat fat, meat fat.